Josh's name on Instagram.
Dude, we really... Hey, Nick!
Hi, Tyler.
Nick, we're back at it. What do we got in the bait today?
21 or 22 RS5. We're going to be doing 034 Motorsport high flow downpipes, a custom tune, custom dyno tune, and we're going to be finishing up like the lower body kit with like a Maxon kit. So we'll get that unboxed and show you.
Nice.
The car's already loud.
It is.
It must have that full AWE exhaust.
We did a video on it actually. I'll link it below. You got a full AWE track exhaust on this?
Full APR exhaust.
With the APR intake that we did. That video's already live.
Yep. So
now we're adding
taking
some more
this
goodies.
off. So this is the RS5. So this is the twin turbo motor from Audi. The S4 and the S5 get the single turbo in the Valley. This gets the twin.
Cool. And how do we get these downpipes out that are...
We're going to be taking this cover off right here. We're going to be taking the 2 clips off here. And then there's 3 bolts there. We're going to be taking the downpipes off. Hope he's good on emissions.
Thanks, Nick. All right, Nick, let's see what we got in the box. Have you done 034 Motorsport?
I have not. I usually do
Downpipe?
Red Stars.
Okay.
But we'll see.
Let's see what we got in here. Watch this not be the cats. That would be crazy.
A little install kit, Tyler.
Nice.
Nice.
All the gaskets and bolts needed.
And we might start doing these instead of the Red Stars only because it's a little bit of a cheaper option, and we also got the heat shielding on it.
Correct, yeah. The heat shielding, and then it has a high flow sport cat in it. So we should get a little bit more noise out of this car, but nothing crazy.
So there's the sport cat right there.
Wow.
I think it's a 200 so.
Wow.
Nice logo.
The heat shielding looks
And then the
awesome.
heat shielding.
Dude, he's mad jealous of us already. Throw a bump stop at his head.
He's a bump stop. His whole body's a bump stop. He looks like the Michelin tire guy. It's badass.
All right, Nick, and what do we got here?
Yo, 034 Motorsports does it. If you look up in there with the flashlight, they put the cat fouler in there so that it keeps your check engine light off. Check it out, dude. Look at that. You guys see that?
Wow.
Dude, that's some engineering right there, my friends.
That's sweet.
So that's gonna go right here.
That looks really nice.
Dude, that is fire.
Yeah, it's
just
really nice.
because of that, we're always gonna order these. That's some engineering right there.
I like that. I like that.
That's really nice.
Both sides unboxed.
Dude, look.
Really good quality.
Dude, that is really nice, especially the
It is.
engineering with these. They just look like O2 spots, but the inside, the engineering that's into these to keep the O2 sensor light off, that's fire.
Let's get them on. Nick?
Meow. The cats are out.
Meow.
And what's next?
So these are the stock cats. Oh my god.
They're heavy.
Really not that heavy. Whoop. Is that my socket? So, as you can tell, the cats start here and they end all the way here. And now we're just going with
Just one.
Look at these guys, bro.
There's just one here, right?
Dude.
Yeah, that's a big difference.
How much louder this car is going to be insane.
You think so?
Yeah. How is the weight, though? I'm not going to lie, these are pretty heavy, but it's also stainless steel, and this is done. Dude, that's a big difference, bro. It's going to be sick. Look how much
really
room's in here, though. So basically, these are the turbos, if you guys wanted to know. Turbos are up top now. And we're going to be pairing the downpipes. We're going to be the test pipes coming off the turbos down to the downpipes.
So we'll have the AWE track.
You want the VIN number off the tranny?
Paired with the 034 high flow cats.
Can you say the word tranny anymore in this
Yeah.
world that we're in? That's a tranny.
Right there.
Yeah. It's a tranny that blows. Smashed a valve. There's compression coming through the spark plug hole.
All right, now we're at our unboxing table with all of our fresh new gaskets and darts.
That's after. We'll have a toady after. Gotta have a toady. Grace goes, "Are you gonna throw away my paint stick?" Yeah, I'm gonna throw it away. You wanna know why? Because everything, if there's something in the way that I leave, he throws it away. So why not just throw away his stuff? He goes, "I'll remember that." As he's upstairs counting money.
He's actually picking up an MC20.
Oh, it's gonna be sick. If you wanna ride with me, you can get low. Step into the Chevy forward door with Tierney in the Tahoe. Me and
Thanks,
her
Nick.
going down the back road.
Let's get these 034 downpipes on. Nick? 034 downpipes are in?
You wanna get a cold start?
Yeah, do you want to hear this thing? Because I kind of want to hear this thing.
Here. Yo, Tyler.
Yo, guys, I just installed this 034 Motorsport cats. We're about to get a cold start. You
High
dig?
flow cats.
High flow cats.
They're installed by a professional.
Where's the key, Nick, in it?
Key's in it.
Head to the back.
Should we get a cold start?
Yeah. And next up, we got the Maxton Designs.
Should we get a cold start?
This thing have valves? No,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. What do you think?
Hey, that's with cats still. That's loud. All right, Nick, the exhaust is all set.
Sounds wild.
It sounds really
Oh,
good.
dude, look at this.
And now we have the Maxton front lip.
You see it? Nice little touches.
Yeah, that's cool.
Maxton been stepping up their game lately.
Yeah. We got the Maxton front lip, and then in this box, let's see what else we got.
So,
All right, Nick.
the rear, they don't have an aftermarket diffuser. So for the rear, we got this.
Wow.
So we're gonna put that on there, and we finish up the exhaust, and then I'm gonna work on putting the front lip on.
Let's do it.
Cool.
Looks good. It's cool.
That is nice, Tyler.
It is cool. It gives it a little bit more of an aggressive look.
Yeah. All right. Cool.
One eternity later.
All right, Nick, we're in the RS5. O34 downpipes paired with the AWE track exhaust. Sounds really good.
What do you think?
I really like it.
Wow.
Dude.
Sounds like a F, like sounds like a supercar.
It sounds really good.
Listen to this.
I like it. I really do like it.
Are you gonna stand in the rain and record?
Yeah, we definitely gotta hear how this thing sounds on the outside. We'll go over here. I mean, we just have to. The interior sounds great. So we'll stop up here. I'll get out, get some revs, and then we'll do a flyby.